Magandang araw po muli mga kababayan. Welcome sa Bible Reading Challenge natin. This is getting exciting po dahil ang challenge natin is to read at least one chapter a day. You see, 29th day na po ngayon mga kapatid, and by Saturday, matatapos na po natin yung Book of Proverbs. So please grab your Bible, follow along, and we will read together chapter 29 today from the Book of Proverbs. Alright, starting now verse 1. A man who remains stiff-necked after many rebukes will suddenly be destroyed without remedy. When the righteous thrive, the people rejoice. When the wicked rule, the people groan. A man who loves wisdom brings joy to his father, but a companion of prostitutes squandered his wealth. By justice a king gives a country stability, but one who is greedy for bribes tears it down. Whoever flatters his neighbor is spreading a net for his feet. An evil man is snared by his own sin, but a righteous one can sing and be glad. The righteous care about justice for the poor, but the wicked have no such concern. Mockers stir up a city, but wise men turn away anger. If a wise man goes to court with a fool, the fool rages and scoffs, and there is no peace. Bloodthirsty men hate a man of integrity and seek to kill the upright. Verse 11. A fool gives full vent for his anger, but a wise man keeps himself under control. If a ruler listens to lies, all his officials become wicked. A man or the poor man and the oppressor have this in common. The Lord gives sight to the eyes of both. If a king judges the poor with fairness, his throne will always be secure. The rod of correction imparts wisdom, but a child left to himself disgraces his mother. When the wicked thrive, so does sin, but the righteous will see their downfall. Verse 17, discipline your son, and he will give you peace. He will bring delight to your soul. Where there is no revelation, the people cast off restraint, but blessed is he who keeps the law. A servant cannot be corrected by mere words. Though he understands, he will not respond. Do you see a man who speaks in haste? There is more hope for a fool than for him. If a man pampers his servant from youth, he will bring grief in the end. 22. An angry man stirs up dissension, and a hot-tempered one commits many sins. A man's pride brings him low, but a man of lowly spirit gains honor. The accomplice of a thief is his own enemy. He is put under oath and dare not testify. Fear of man will prove to be a snare, but whoever trusts in the Lord is kept safe. Many seek an audience with a ruler, but it is from the Lord that man gets justice. Last verse, 27. The righteous detest the dishonest. The wicked detest the upright. The Lord bless the reading of His word today. Stay safe, stay at home, and save lives. God bless you.